Welcome back to Living 808. King Lunalilo Trust Meals to Go program for Kupuna in West Oahu is launching. And joining us with all the awesome details on the great program is Martha Clopin of Get to Insurance and Keola Maikalani, CEO of the King Lunalilo Trust and Home. Aloha, you guys.
Aloha, Kelly.
Thanks so much for being here.
Of course. Isn't this exciting?
This is because, okay, normally we're talking about insurance, and I know you help out a lot of people with that, but this is something new for you guys. So tell us, what exactly is this new monthly program?
Well, I'm so excited. One of my partners, Ho'omau Keola, we partnered and we go over once a month starting tomorrow, as a matter of fact, and we'll be able to help folks who have questions about insurance, and that could be keiki to kupuna. We answer questions for all folks, but in my meeting with them, I had an opportunity to meet Keola Dean, and he was talking about this meals program that he's bringing to the West Side. So I said, wow, I want everybody to hear something positive and know that we are taking the needs that people have on West Oahu directly to them.
I love that. And in multiple ways, because we're talking about their meals program, but you guys are also helping with insurance.
Exactly. A lot of people have questions about insurance, or they need access to iPads, to forms. So guess what? 10 to 1, the last Tuesday of every month, we'll be over there at Ho'omau Keola, and we will have forms for people. We can answer questions, help them with whatever they need, and they don't have to travel into Honolulu for that. So we'll be physically present at Ho'omau Keola.
I love that. Okay, and so many people will get such great information and be able to sign up for insurance, too.
That's right, exactly.
Nice. And also get great meals. So let's talk about that aspect of the program. Can you share more about it?
He has all the yummy details.
Well, we are the King Lunalilo Trust, and our Meals to Go program has actually been around for a very long time. We offer kupuna meals that are local style. So they can include kolua pig, pork guisantes, meatloaf. But the key is that they're prepared to be healthy for kupuna. And so they can be low sodium, low sugar. In Maili, we found a kitchen that was available for rent, and so we jumped on it, and we've been offering meals to kupuna since August 2nd. Okay. And one of the reasons why we really wanted to do this is because a lot of the assistance that had been available for kupuna, that had really been ending this year, throughout the year. So we really wanted to focus on making food available for kupuna. But also, pre-prepared meals are a specialty of ours, and many kupuna are not able to prepare healthy meals for themselves. And so that's a focus of ours, is to provide hot meals to kupuna that are healthy. And there is even some research that shows that when you provide 10 meals a week that are pre-prepared, it can help kupuna become much healthier and avoid emergency room visits and nursing home admissions. Okay,
which of course definitely a goal. And not only are you guys giving healthy meals, but also using great fresh local ingredients. So let's talk about the aspect of the program that's the farm to kupuna.
Sure. So our program out in Maili is new, so we are still building those relationships with the farms, the local farms. But in general, even out of our kitchen in Hawaii Kai, we maintain relationships with farms and try to incorporate fresh fruits and vegetables and even meats from farms that we have the relationships with.
Oh, that's so great. Okay, then it's so neat that all these partnerships came about as well. So let's talk about it. I'm sure a lot of people are listening and excited, like, wait, how do I get my hands on meals? I live on West Oahu, so who's eligible and how can they apply?
Well, he can also speak to that. He has all the yummy details.
Okay, yes, what are all the great details?
This is the beginning phase of our program, and so really any kupuna who is 55 and older has been eligible to participate, including household members. But the eligibility is dependent upon the funding source, and so Papa'ololokahi has been the funding source for this phase of our meal program. The eligibility requirements may change depending on future funding sources.
Okay, but for that particular program then, what would
55 and older.
Okay, oh, that's very nice. Okay, perfect. So if you fall in that age bracket, if you're curious, we'll have all the details online. What's a good website to go to learn more?
They can go to lunalilo.org, and we are maintaining an email address, mailikitchen@lunalilo.org.
Wonderful. And for those that want to keep in touch with Get to Insurance,
Well,
figure out all that you guys are doing?
We'll be there tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. We'll be at Ho'omauke'ola, and we'll be there to just anybody who wants to walk in and talk to us, we'll be there to answer their questions. Like I said, they can use our iPad, they can use their cell phone to do things that they may need to do that they don't have access to. So we're there to help the community.
All right, perfect. So head on out if you can, and we'll have all the details on our website at k212.com. Thank you both so much for being here, and then also for all the great work you're doing in the community. So great to see.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.